Most people assume BMW is for the young guy who wants to weave through traffic and impress his coworkers. And sure, BMW makes plenty of cars for that guy. But here's what the dealership won't tell you. Some of the most comfortable, most well-equipped, and most senior-friendly vehicles on the road right now wear a blue and white roundel. I'm Hank, and I've been wrenching on cars for over 20 years. Welcome to SUVhype. These are the 8 BMWs that seniors should buy without hesitation. Let's count them down. Number 8. BMW 330i. The 3 Series is the car that built BMW's reputation, and the 330i is the version that makes the most sense for older buyers. Here's a number that matters. RepairPal reports the 330i's average annual maintenance at just $748 per year. For a German luxury sedan, that is remarkably low. Under the hood is a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, making 255 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic. Smooth, responsive, and completely stress-free on the highway. The cabin door openings are wide, the driving position is upright without feeling like a bus, and the seats are well bolstered without being punishing. BMW's standard safety tech includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and pedestrian detection. Wireless Apple CarPlay comes standard. If you want an entry point into BMW ownership without punishing maintenance costs, this is it. Number 7. BMW X1. The X1 is BMW's most underrated vehicle. It sits higher than a sedan, making entry and exit significantly easier on aging joints. The door openings are wide, the seat height is comfortable, and you are not dropping into a low sports car. The 2024 X1 runs a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, producing 312 horsepower with standard all-wheel drive on every US model. Rain, snow, and wet leaves stop being concerns. Consumer Reports gave the X1 a reliability rating of 92 out of 100, the highest of any BMW on this list. For a senior who wants a compact luxury crossover that is easy to park, easy to own, and backed by strong reliability data, the X1 is a serious contender. Starting price sits around $40,000 for the base trim. Number 6. BMW 530i. If the 3 Series feels slightly small, the 530i is the sweet spot in BMW's sedan lineup, and it is one of the cheapest BMWs to own. RepairPal puts the 530i's average annual maintenance cost at just $620. That is lower than the 330i, lower than the X3, and lower than almost everything else in the BMW family. The engine is a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6, making 375 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic. The 5 Series has noticeably more rear legroom than the 3 Series, important for seniors who regularly carry a spouse or passengers who value their space. The seats are wider, the ride is smoother over long distances, and the large digital instrument cluster is easy to read without squinting. If you put serious highway miles on a car and want power, comfort, and low ownership costs, the 530i is one of the most practical BMWs you can buy. Number 5. BMW X3. The X3 is BMW's best-selling SUV for a reason. Big enough to feel substantial on the highway, small enough to handle parking garages without anxiety. For seniors transitioning from a full-size SUV or a large sedan, this is often the perfect in-between. The base X3 runs a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 248 horsepower. BMW tuned the current generation for more on-road comfort than its predecessor. The standard power liftgate makes loading groceries effortless, and BMW's active driving assistance suite, including blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic alert, comes standard on most trims. Annual maintenance averages $1,034 according to RepairPal. Higher than other models here, but you get a premium interior, a genuinely well-sorted ride, and an entry height that makes getting in and out significantly easier than a full-size SUV. Number 4. BMW X5. This is where the BMW lineup stops being practical and starts being indulgent. And for a senior who has worked their whole life, indulgent is entirely justified. The base X5 xDrive 40 uses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 with 375 horsepower, 48-volt mild hybrid assistance, and a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. The front seats are adjustable in nearly every direction, with lumbar support that actually works. The rear legroom is genuinely generous, and the entry height is ideal, not too low to require lowering yourself in, not so tall you need a running board. Annual maintenance averages $1,166, according to RepairPal, so go in with open eyes. But for seniors who want the most complete BMW ownership experience, the X5 earns every dollar of that cost. Number 3. BMW X7. This one surprises people. The X7 is BMW's largest SUV, and its size is actually a feature for older buyers, not a drawback. The base X7 xDrive 40i uses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, producing 375 horsepower, and returns an EPA estimated 21 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. Towing tops out at 7,500 pounds. Standard air suspension automatically lowers the vehicle for entry and exit, a genuine quality of life feature for anyone with knee or hip concerns. Inside, there are 3 rows with 33 inches of third-row legroom, more than many midsize SUVs offer in their second row. Consumer Reports rated the X7 at 86 out of 100 for reliability in 2024, one of the stronger scores in the full-size luxury SUV segment. Starting price is around $84,000. If you want to arrive everywhere with maximum space and maximum comfort, this is the vehicle. Number 2. BMW 550e 5 Series Plug-in Hybrid. Most people overlook the plug-in hybrid 5 Series. That is a mistake. And for retirees on a fixed income, this might be the most financially smart BMW on this entire list. The 550e combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor for 483 combined horsepower. On a full charge, it delivers up to 40 miles of all-electric range, enough to cover most daily errands, doctor appointments, and grocery runs without burning a drop of gasoline. When the battery is depleted, it transitions to hybrid mode for highway driving with no range anxiety. The interior comfort is identical to the standard 530i, with the added benefit of dramatically lower fuel costs for drivers who charge regularly at home. Federal and state EV incentives can meaningfully reduce the purchase price. If you drive mostly local miles but still want capability for longer trips, the 550e gives you both. Nobody talks about this car enough. Number 1. BMW X5 xDrive 50e plug-in hybrid. If I had to recommend one single BMW for a senior buying today, it would be this one without hesitation. The X5 xDrive 50e combines a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with an electric motor for 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The EPA estimated all-electric range is 50 miles, more than the 550a sedan, meaning most retirees can run an entire week of daily driving without visiting a gas station. When the battery depletes, the combustion engine takes over seamlessly, and the X5 drives exactly like the standard model. Towing capacity stays at 7,500 pounds. The step-in height is ideal. The standard air suspension smooths the ride further. Heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic moonroof, and adaptive cruise control that manages highway speed and following distance on its own, reducing fatigue in a way that genuinely matters over a long drive. Here is the financial argument most buyers miss. Federal clean vehicle tax credits can reduce the purchase price by up to $3,750, with additional state incentives stacked on top in many states. If you charge at home, monthly fuel costs can drop by hundreds of dollars compared to a traditional full-size SUV. Over 5 years, that is real money back in your pocket. For a senior who wants SUV practicality, easy entry and exit, a quiet and comfortable ride, serious technology, and the lowest possible fuel costs, the X5 xDrive 50e is the smartest BMW you can buy. So there you have it. 8 BMWs worth serious consideration. The 330i for affordable German reliability. The X1 for compact, high reliability practicality. The 530i for the lowest annual ownership costs in the lineup. The X3 for the ideal midsize balance. The X5 for the full luxury experience, the X7 for maximum space and air suspension comfort, the 550e for sedan drivers who want to cut fuel bills in half, and the X550e for the senior who wants everything in one vehicle. Hit subscribe if this helped. I cover the vehicles that make sense for how people actually live, not the ones that look good in a brochure. And if you are still deciding between two models on this list, drop it in the comments. I read everyone. Drive safe, take care of your car, and I'll see you in the next one.